Hello everybody, today I want to talk about can you use a B-board on an overcast day. So you can see out here the sun's not out, there's clouds everywhere. I got a B-board here. Let's see if I can get a little bit of illumination from this B-board. So okay, so this is the white side. So without it, with it. Without it, with it. So you can actually use a B-board. Let's use the white side. See without it, see with it. Without it, with it. See the other side? So without it, with it. So I definitely seeing some difference with the B-board there. So I would say yes, you can. Now of course it's not ideal, and the one thing nice about the Overcast is you got a nice diffused light coming down anyway. So if you're outside and you need to give a little bit of something, I think you can see some of the difference there. So as always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute, everybody.